So when you're mobile detailing, you can see the tiniest imperfections, especially when you're outside during the daytime, the sun is shining. It's a lot different than detailing in the shop. And I'm telling you, especially the windshield, man, you'll do the 2-towel method, cleaning the windows, you can still see the streaks, and it's crazy. I can't stand it. You're always fighting it, spending 30 minutes on just windows. Here's what I use: Squeegee, Scrub Ninja, and soapy water, Dawn dish soap. I don't know if you can see that. Most of the time it's because the window's still dirty. I use the method that window tinters use, scrub and squeegee. So I always squeegee. If you have a maintenance detail, the windows are gonna be easier. So yeah, maybe you can do the 2-towel method. And believe it or not, I will use a magic eraser for really bad windows, right? So what I do is and then just grab a squeegee. And then you want to wipe the tip dry. Now I'm gonna do the other side. There you go. No streaks, other than the water spots. This is my car, and there's water spots. You still want to use your final wipe down, especially on the edges and the corners, because the squeegee might leave some behind over there. And again, you do want to do it pretty quick, especially if you're out in the sun. And that's the thing with the 2-towel method, or the 2 microfiber towel method. You know, first one, you kind of smear all that liquid in, right, once you put your window cleaner on there. Second one, yeah, it's supposed to be like for a pickup or whatnot, but the thing is, with the second towel, you're catching a lot of moisture still, and then you're leaving behind streaks because, you know, it's common sense. This way, your squeegee catches all that moisture out, right, gets it out of the way, and all you have left is just a dry, completely dry microfiber towel picking up whatever's left. And usually whatever's left, it's not much at all. It's only a little bit. On an unrelated note, I did have to shave because it got so freaking hot that wiping my face off with sweat irritated my lip. I'm gonna do it with this window. Again, another tip: roll the windows down just a little bit when you're doing the squeegee, right? And then once you're done, roll it up and do the bottom. And on the Scrub Ninja, I do use the black side, not the microfiber side. Again, watch the heat, keep it moist. That's what she said. Squeegee. Clean microfiber towel. Get the edges, get the corners, and if you see any, I don't see any streaks, and I'm in the sun so I can see. This side's good. And I know it seems like a lot of work, but to be honest, it really isn't. It's actually, in my opinion, it's actually a lot easier than doing this 2-towel method where you spray on your window cleaner and then start wiping it, and then wiping it again with the other towel, fighting the streaks. edges. Roll the window up. Corners again. Corners here. I see no streaks at all. And again, it's very important after each swipe with a different microfiber towel, you want to kind of wipe the edge off. Clean swipe every time.